welcome back to What's Cooking in the Cauliflower Kitchen. I am so excited because I've got coast-to-coast guests with me today. I've got here in the middle, this is Chris Winfield. Oh,
Chris Winfield.
all the way from New York.
Yeah.
And we got Rachel from Portland.
What's up, guys? You know, you just flew in like a couple of hours ago from New York, and you are a speaker, you are a writer, you say a connector of people, right?
Super connector, yeah.
Super connector, and you are going to be a nacho maker with us.
And I'm a cauliflower pizza crust lover,
yes,
so
right.
Yeah.
This is why we like him.
That, forget all the other stuff, that's way more important.
Gonna get you a cape with the capital G because it'll be super guacamole maker right now.
Right.
So
And you know what? I bet you're also a subscriber to this channel because you seem really intelligent. So if you want to be like Chris, you want to subscribe to this channel and make sure you are the first to know whenever we come live with a video. I mean, this happens once a week. We're going to be making an incredible recipe today, and you're going to want to know what's coming next week as well. So nachos, Stephanie, I make this. As you can see, I still got my football little jersey on or t-shirt on because this is perfect for a football party as well as any other party, or if you like Mexican food.
Fiesta,
like
right?
most people.
Oh.
Perfect.
Can you do the tongue roll? Can you?
No.
All right.
No.
No.
I am the only one who can roll her
I'm the one asking questions around here.
I get first bite then.
All right, to top it off, this is one of our favorite people's guacamole recipe. This is our Sarah's guacamole recipe, and so we're going to share it with you at home. So consider yourself.
Does she know?
Well,
Sarah, don't watch this.
all right.
Well, it could be a different Sarah.
Well, this Sarah is very special. Sarah was kind enough to share her recipe with us, so we're going to share it with you. In this bowl is 4 chopped tomatoes.
Ooh.
Okay, and then
I chopped them myself.
Look at those. And then I want you to go ahead and add a half a cup of chopped white onion. Just throw it right in there.
Oh, the whole thing?
The whole thing.
All right. I was going to say, I don't see any
pre-measured.
half
This
a
is good.
cups
I know you
around.
like have someone come to your house and cook
Yes.
for you, but you're going to cook for us
Oh, I don't
today.
even, I
All
like
right.
having it delivered.
Okay.
Not even.
All right, you're going to take a bunch of cilantro that's been chopped, and you're going to dump that whole baby in there.
Okay, good.
This is nice and easy. Dump,
Yeah,
dump.
this is perfect.
All right, and then in this bowl we have 1 jalapeno chopped with everything included.
Oh my goodness.
And mix that baby up.
We've got like pico de gallo here.
Yeah.
Before we add.
The smell is fantastico. All right, so then I'm going to add the juice of 2 limes.
She didn't trust me with that.
I didn't. I want you to keep stirring. Mix, incorporate. All right, in this bowl we have
I literally just got off the plane. I didn't know I was coming to
4
work.
avocados.
This is a lot. This is more work I've done in my life.
Yeah. Good thing you got good muscles here.
Exactly.
I'm going to add this. 4 chopped avocados.
This is where it gets hard.
Okay, you don't have to mash it into a gooey paste. Just kind of incorporate it. Bring love to the bowl.
She was,
I like it when there's big chunks in
Yeah.
my
all right,
guacamole.
all right.
That-
I won't go too
You
crazy.
make it chunky.
Yeah.
Oh.
I can tell you're really good in the kitchen. Here we go.
You're.
Let me help you.
She's like having like a heart attack looking at me do this. She's like
The
going
show
over
doesn't need to be
me.
that long.
So, moral of the story is you don't have to be a chef to come on to the Cauliflower show.
Or
And a little
great.
salt
Yeah,
for
yeah.
taste. Here we go. So we're gonna mix that in because it looks
I
amazing.
love how this has been taken away from me completely.
Oh. Why don't you
So that's the thing. You just don't do something well, and then somebody else will jump in. Is that the lesson we want people to learn?
Children don't listen to this. I think this is what my kids do all the time.
All right.
Yes, exactly.
On this plate, we have made some lovely tortilla chips out of our, I think this is our sweet bell pepper.
Yeah, it
or,
is.
Or our jalapeno crust. So we have some options
This is
here.
jalapeno, and
Thank you.
I've got to be the first to taste test this always because it's my favorite thing.
Really? So how'd I do? I did good, right?
All
Thank you,
right.
Sarah.
Genius. So in this pan, we took
She's having a hard. She's like not
we took our
good with
same
this.
crisp. Okay, guys, we're gonna put those right there. We have a pile of
Wow, this is good.
our pizza crisps. Okay, and to that we're gonna add. I'm gonna help you here. I'm gonna throw some cheese on top, and we've got some fajita chicken meat. We're gonna add a little
my
bit of
goodness.
that in
So
there.
you can just you can obviously make fajita chicken meat at home by yourself, or
Ground beef, you can use whatever, or you can make it vegetarian, or you can just add veggies.
If you're in a super big hurry, you can go buy a prepackaged one at your local grocery store because they have those
That
and
works
make it super
They
quick.
all do, yeah.
And some black beans for some fiber and just some good around yumminess on our nachos. I'm gonna throw some of that on there.
This looks
Do
so
you need
yummy.
help?
I do.
We're just gonna eat.
now you
Our
wanna
job
help.
now is to eat.
You want to throw some olives on there for me?
Please, how many? All of them?
No,
Just do 12 olives.
13, and oh my gosh, well that is a happy plate.
Ooh.
Okay,
All right.
gonna top a little bit more cheese.
Wait, did you really want me to do 13 olives?
No,
Like,
I didn't.
exactly?
Exactly. And the amazing thing about cooking on,
Oh, the miracle of television.
here we go. So look at that.
Wow.
That looks pretty amazing, right? So
we
that
put, like,
gives
What's under here? I just put my
We're gonna
phone under there.
sprinkle a little
I hope I didn't put it in the oven.
pico de gallo, and then with our
I was like,
amazing,
put a big
super
dollop.
Sarah
Wow.
guacamole, we're gonna dollop right in the middle, so you can get a fork out. You can, take that in front of the TV, or maybe do, I don't know, something amazing. You can sit there and just chow down.
I'm curious, what would be the other? So it's TV
I was trying to sit in front of the
something
TV on
amazing?
the sofa. It's not really healthy eating, like.
Or go and run a marathon
There you
with.
go, you can.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so low carb nachos. If you're looking to have a Super Bowl party,
Amazing.
any sort of party.
Oh my God, yeah.
And you don't want to feel like icky or bloated, boom, right there.
Wow.
Using our cauliflower pizza crust.
I could eat the crust just by itself.
I do all the
Well,
time.
we do,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
But I mean, what a spectacular.
Oh, yeah. No
What is-
offense,
I mean, you got your
guacamole,
friends-
Sarah. Or nacho,
Chris,
magic
wow, all your
nachos.
friends going, oh my God, now you're gonna have friends in New York saying, okay, Chris, bust out the
Now you can
I'll be
Super
like,
Bowl
you
punch."
guys should be good with the crust itself. You don't need all the guacamole.
I don't know. This guacamole
Guacamole is
It is
fantastic.
really amazing.
Chris,
All right.
I think you've been like one of the most entertaining guests that we've had.
Thank you.
On What's Cooking with Cauliflower. I hope you come back. I hope you keep eating our pizzas.
Yeah.
And I hope that you encourage people to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Subscribe. Where should they point? Where would you point?
Right there.
Wow.
It's right there.
Right, it's under here, under
Brent,
the
that's
magic.
What's under the cabinet?
Brent, our
Yeah.
videographer, he's gonna make sure it's right here.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And you got it, Brent?
All right. From our kitchen to yours. We'll see you next time.
Thank you. Delicious.